Interested in training your community or workplace with a full certification CPR, AED, and first aid program? Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to start your own emergency care training business or a newly designated training coordinator at your organization, the HSI Instructor Development Course, or IDC, is an effective way to do both. This one-day course is for individuals without prior CPR, AED, and first aid instructor experience who want to become an HSI authorized instructor. You just need to be at least 17 years old and hold a current certification and/or demonstrated competency in layperson, adult, child, and infant CPR, AED, and first aid. HSI has everything for your training needs. After you complete the IDC, you'll get access to exclusive discounts and support for your training center, such as your own online training portal. Learn more about HSI's instructor development course and find an upcoming date and location near you.